The most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Jamie, it was so nice to get some rain again today.
And you know what else was nice? Temperatures, that breeze outside. I mean, this morning,
nice.
It felt like we had just fast forwarded right into the heart of September, maybe late September. That was all compliments of a lot of rain that fell north and east of Springfield, that rain-cooled air moving into our area. And speaking of rain, on tower cam right now, we've got some that we can show you. It's south and southwest of Springfield. You can kind of see the northern edge of it right in here. Battlefield kind of on the northern edge where that rain is currently falling. Taking a peek at radar, let's show you. There's Battlefield. We've got rain here, maybe into the west side of Springfield, but the heavy stuff is further south into northwestern Christian County along Highway 14, areas from, say, Wilson's Creek south down to Clever. Not quite into Nixa, but I think Nixa, you guys are going to be picking up some of the heavier rain, certainly going to be hearing some rumbles of thunder, and that will extend east over toward Ozark. Now, this is part of a broken line of showers and thunderstorms, which extends northwest and also extends further southeast across Fulton County and north central Arkansas. Now, this is a far cry from what we were looking at earlier today. I mean, what we're finding right now, sort of the southern edge of that big round of rain and thunderstorms that blossomed across first northwest Missouri and then developed southeast across Lake of the Ozarks into southeast Missouri. What a day of rainfall, you know, really kind of focused around Lake of the Ozarks. Had one report in southeastern Morgan County near Laurie of well over 4 inches of rain. And that matches up pretty nicely with what radar is estimating. Notice some of our Weather Watch reports right here, close to 2 inches near Rolla. That report coming in from Sarah Lamb. In Shannon County in Winona, over 1/2 inch. Here in Springfield, we've seen on and off showers and thunderstorms going all the way back to about 5 o'clock this morning. Much heavier rain anticipated overnight tonight, though. Here's a look at the temperatures right now. 60s to the northeast. 80s to the southwest. You don't have to head too far to the southwest, though, to get into triple-digit heat near Tulsa, where it's 104 degrees right now. With some afternoon sun here in Springfield, we managed to pop into the low 80s for a short time, but for most of the day, we were in the 70s. Looking at a very low severe weather risk heading into this evening over southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas. I really think the higher threat for severe weather will be tied more closely to the front, and I think will stay just southwest of our area. But we are going to find rain and heavy thunderstorms overnight tonight. And it looks like there's going to be a sharp cutoff that will run from about Stockton Lake southeast down to around Eminence here in Shannon County. North of that line, I'm not expecting much in the way of rain. South of that line, looks like a repeat of what we saw further north, but this time across southwest Missouri and northern Arkansas. And you can see this is through midnight. After midnight, notice how that area of rain and thunderstorms really just expands in coverage across southern Missouri and north central Arkansas. And it all gradually shifts south Wednesday morning. I think the rain here in Springfield, the steady rain, probably ends around sunrise, but we may have a few light showers which linger past that through the morning hours and can't even rule out maybe an isolated shower in the afternoon. But I think during the afternoon, we're going to start working some sun back into the equation as clouds try to thin from northeast to southwest. Take a look at the rain. This is primarily tonight into the morning on Wednesday. And again, many locations here in southwest Missouri and in north central Arkansas picking up 1 to 2 inches. And there will likely be pockets that see in excess of 3 inches of rainfall. All in all, the flooding risk doesn't look terribly high, but certainly with that kind of rain, there could be at least some street flooding and some ditch flooding. Temperatures tonight cool off to about 64. Highs tomorrow will range from the low 80s where we get sun to the north to 70s to the south. It looks like about 79 here in Springfield with clear skies developing overnight Wednesday night. Really wonderful morning. Early Thursday as temperatures start the day in the upper 50s and low 60s, and we end up with afternoon highs in the low 80s. Here is a peek at the forecast through the remainder of the week. A little warmer on Friday and Saturday, but we get back into a pattern that features more clouds and at least a chance for showers, particularly southern Missouri and northern Arkansas, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and that should keep afternoon highs well below normal for the middle of August.
All right, thanks, Jamie. A new